we vacuumed off the floor mats. As you can see, we got a lot of dirt out, but then I got the drill brush out while it's still dry because we have huskies, and you can see it's pulling a lot of hair up out of there. Once we get all this hair up, then we're going to move on to the power washer. You can see, we'll see if we can get some more out of here. We got a lot here out of this one. We'll try a different one. Yeah, see, we got some more hair out. Go on to the power washer next. Hey, what's up everybody? I don't know if you can tell, but we are now shooting in 4K 30 frames per second on a ASCO V50 Pro SE. Just got it from Goodwill. There's another video I'm going to have on these little cameras, and but we're going to give it a shot here with this. You can see, there's the pressure washer. We're going to try and clean these dirty, filthy floor mats and get them all good. We got the brush over there. We got the carpet cleaner. First things first, we're going to put this in the waterproof case, set it up, and hit it with the pressure washer. Here we go. Alright, as you can see, I don't know if there's a video difference, but I had to switch to my phone because the V50 GoPro knockoff ran out of battery. I forgot to charge it since I just got it from Goodwill, but you can see this is pretty full and it's at the max line, and it stopped sucking, so I think maybe I have to empty this now. But if you look, this is looking way cleaner. You've still got some spots, but we're going to get over to this soon, so hopefully we'll get her done. Well, you can see we are now done with our mud flaps, or our floor mats, and you can see there was the worst one. Still got a big stain there. This one actually turned out really well. It's dark but very clean. This one actually might still have the old coloring to it. I think my wife did these a few years ago for me, and I think maybe some of the color came out of them. Compared to earlier in the video, there are worlds difference away from what it used to be. But you know, I was thinking maybe I spray paint them with some fabric spray dye. I don't know. We'll see. But way better than it was. So there you go. This part is over. Alright, so I decided to give it one more go with this floor mat, the worst one, the driver's mat. And you can still kind of see where I sprayed this time Resolve on it. I know Resolve's got bleach, and they always say, the carpet people are like, don't use Resolve. But hey, it was pretty much gone at this point. And so I just thought, well, I'll give it one more shot. Why not? Maybe people will like it. And this is what I've gotten out of there already. This is like the 6th or 7th filling of this little spot cleaner that has come out of just this floor mat. I mean, it's pretty bad. We'll keep going, see what happens. Well, we just did a whole nother pass again, and you can see it actually looks a little bit lighter. Like, maybe I should have went and did a little more work on the other ones too, but another black as all can get out. It just never ends. I don't know if this is stuff that's in the tank that is making it so nasty, but it just keeps pulling stuff, I guess. So I ran the hose clean system because the water kept coming out filthy, and I did the self-clean port, which is right there, and the water came out clean after that. So then I tried to do a few more sweeps on here, and lo and behold, look, it's back to being black as black again already. We're still pulling dirt out of this. This is like unbelievable. I mean, hours we're heading into now. Still pulling dirt. I'm gonna get the drill brush out again, maybe agitate a little more, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll just call it good. I mean, it definitely looks like it might be getting a little cleaner. For sure, like the other parts of it, but I mean, that spot right there above the hose is not getting any lighter. Those marks are getting lighter, but maybe it's just time to call it good. We're gonna give the brush a try and see what happens. Well, guys, I am just absolutely flabbergasted. Like, we continue to pull out dirt. I just ran the water through that tank, cleaned the tank out, and it's still coming out black as night. Like, I just don't know what to do. Like, you can still see there's still markings of those two stains and that black mark. I think I'm gonna figure out how to use this a lot better. I'm gonna have tips on how to use this extractor a little bit better, but I mean, I just don't know what to do. At this point, I think maybe just call it once this is done. I mean, this is insane. I mean, I've spent hours on these, but all right. Well, here's the final result. As you can see, with my fingers not in the way, these things cleaned up pretty good. I mean, all of them, most of the big major stains are gone. The driver's side one, you know, you got a little bit of stain issue there, but overall, not bad, especially considering what they were. I'll throw up before and after again so you can see the difference, but yeah, I think we're all good, and another part of this refurb project is gone. Stay tuned. We'll get another episode out. Alright, everyone. This is the results of using the extractor on the seat floor. It looks absolutely brand spanking new. And this camera really kind of ticks me off with its focus. But here you can see we haven't done this one yet. We're going to do that one real quick, and we'll show you the results after. So we've wetted down the carpet already. Used the little hose on the extractor just to get it wet. Now we're going to hit it with some Armor All, not tire foam. That's a good thing we just did that, because we're going to hit it with carpet cleaner, not tire. Okay, you can see how close the Armor All tire foam looks to the carpet cleaner. We're going to spray that now, and then we'll move on to extracting after we do the drill brush. This stuff goes a long way, so don't need a whole lot, especially if you get it wet beforehand. get the drill brush on that and get her cleaned up. You can see it's really kind of already settled in. There we go. That might be a little bit better for you. Okay, so we hit it with the drill brush, and now I'm going to do a step we did not do with the other side, and that's wipe it first with a microfiber towel. So we're going to wipe that now. Try to get up as much of the suds as possible first, and then we're going to move on to the extractor. Hopefully that cuts our time down. So as you can see, we got a couple spots where your foot rests all the time that were real hard, real black. See right there? And we're just going to hit that with a little bit extra. And we're going to let that sit. And we're going to get to the extractor now. But we'll hit that last. Alright, and we are pretty much done. That right there, might in the middle of the floor, looks like it might be a dirt spot, but it's actually just the shadow with the sun's hitting it. Pretty much cleaned it up. Still a little rough, but stuff that's rough will be covered by the mats anyways. Seats are all done. All the floors done. We're set to just call it a day. And that's it for the interior. And the only thing really left on this car to do are these terrible wheels. So, hope you guys liked watching this. If not, probably like 3 people watched it. It was a experiment for me, so not as good as my other videos, but hey, what can you do? It was more for me anyways. But thanks for watching these. Look for the tire one, and we'll see you soon.